Now, it took a lot of courage to pick up this phone, but today we're making a mood board. You might be asking, what is a mood board? Alright, a mood board is basically a poster board that you decorate with all of your goals, wishes, dreams, aspirations for the new year. And since it's the first day of the new year, I figured, why not? Because I've been wanting to make one. I meant to do one last year. I got distracted. I figured I should start again. I should try again. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Just do it. Which is going to be the first thing I'm gonna write on this mood board. So, boom. I got this poster board from Dollar General. And I'm gonna decorate it. You might wonder why I chose to write just do it as my first goal. It's because I've been wanting to start making videos and posting more since 2013. Since 2013. And it's 2019 now. So that's procrastination at its best. But I wouldn't even call it procrastination because it's like a lack of confidence. I guess while I'm doing this, I could kind of make this like get to know me. So yeah, I just graduated high school, and if you think about it, you'll probably be like, girl, it's January, what you mean you just graduated? Well, I'm a cancer survivor, so there's that. That's something new about me. I was first diagnosed in June of 2017, the summer that ruined my life. If you want a more detailed video about that, I could do that if you want it. But yeah, what's something else I want to do this year? The car. Well, I'm gonna attempt to draw a car. It don't gotta be perfect. Mouse about me. I like to do hair, and yeah, I've always liked to do it. It's got glitter goo everywhere. I like fashion. I like, dressing up and stuff. I am not too good at taking pictures, but I need to get my license and get a car. So that's going on the mood board. Okay, so I'm not drawing all extra good or anything like that, but I want to overcome my fear of pictures and have a photo shoot. I want to become comfortable with my height. Sometimes I feel like my height intimidates people, and it's like I'm not even that tall, but I don't know. It's like something in my head I gotta deal with. So I want to become comfortable with my height. Boom, nothing fancy, stick figures. Alright, I want to travel for fun and travel for business. I want to grow my natural hair collarbone length because, as I said, I'm a cancer survivor. My hair is not that long yet, but it'll get there. I want to hit 10K followers on Instagram and at least get 200 subscribers on YouTube and get a sponsorship, because that would be fun. Okay, so this is a terrible graduation cap, but remember when I said I graduated? Yeah, I haven't had a ceremony yet though, so I want to have my graduation ceremony in May and start college in the fall. I want to go vegetarian this year. I wanted to do it last year, but people in my house, they don't eat the way I do, so that's something I gotta do on my own, and so I'm gonna go vegetarian on my own. This is the finished mood board. I have my plane because I want to travel, the water because I want to face my fear and learn how to swim. I want to lose weight, grow my hair, be comfortable with my height. I want to get my license and drive, go vegetarian, make friends, possibly start modeling, reach 10,000 followers on Instagram, get 200 subscribers on YouTube, probably more, you never know. I want to get better at makeup. That was one I just added. I want to possibly get some sponsorships. I want to make connections, whether it's relationship, business, or future-wise. Start college, graduate, walk in May. I want to become more confident. That just do it stands for more than just do it. It's like becoming more confident and comfortable with myself. So there's that. I want to overcome my fear of pictures. Have a photo shoot, I've been wanting a photo shoot since 2016, I've been procrastinating. That's something I need to do. Of course, I want to learn to do push-up. And these are just some things. And of course I gotta stay humble. But these are some of my main goals for this year. Of course there's more, but for this year, these are my goals.
It sure feels good to me.